Melanie B of Eads, Tennessee had a growing concern. Over time, several areas around her backyard pool had settled by 2 to 3 inches, creating unsafe tripping hazards and a worn-out appearance. With plans to restain the concrete in the fall and spend the summer entertaining family and friends, she needed the surface lifted, stabilized, and protected fast. To tackle the scale of the job, we brought in 3 concrete crews, working side by side to deliver a seamless solution. Together, they assessed the entire pool deck, coordinated precise lifting of the sunken slabs using advanced concrete raising techniques, and ensured every section was carefully aligned. The teams worked in unison, communicating throughout the process to maintain accuracy and consistency from start to finish. Once the deck was level, joints and cracks were professionally sealed, locking out moisture and guarding against future soil washout. What could have been a major renovation was completed in just a short time, thanks to the collaboration and efficiency of all 3 crews. From this to this. If your concrete is sinking, cracking, or creating safety concerns, call us today. Let's bring your space back to life with the power of teamwork and permanent solutions.